Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing great today. So in this video, we're going to be going over the best way to get the most money back for your iPhone XS Max or pretty much any phone that you want to sell. Alright, so maybe you have a old iPhone that you want to upgrade to a newer one, and there's many different ways out there to sell your phone, and in this video we're going to be going over the best ways to sell your phone and to get the most money back for your phone, and also we're going to be going over the pros and cons of these different ways of selling your phone. Alright, so in this video, for example, we're going to be getting prices for the iPhone XS Max. Obviously, this is the newest iPhone right now at the moment, but this is just for an example. You probably have an older iPhone that you may want to sell, and you may want to upgrade to the iPhone XS Max, or maybe to a newer Galaxy or Android device. Alright, so let's get right into it. So the first way that you can sell your iPhone is you can sell it yourself. So you can put a listing up on like eBay or also on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and get the most money for your device. However, this is going to take more time. It's going to take more work. You're going to have to do some research to see what prices they're selling for. And also, you may have to deal with return customers. I know on eBay, they really favor the buyer. So if for any reason the buyer is not happy, they can always ask to get their money back and ship the item back to you. So that may not be something that you may want to deal with. You may just want to sell your phone and get rid of it and not see it again. Also, selling on like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and things like that, where you have to meet up physically with maybe strangers to sell them your device, that may not be something that you may want to do either. But this is the first way of selling your device, and it is the way that you will get the most money back for it. Option number 2 is you can trade it in to a local store. So there's a lot of local stores in your area that may buy your device. You can also sometimes trade it in with different programs that your carrier may be offering. Sometimes I know Sprint and T-Mobile, they offer buyback programs or trade-in programs where you trade in your phone and they give you a huge discount on the upgraded device. But you are limited to what promotions your carrier is offering. And also most of the times carriers don't offer that much money back for devices. So finally, we have the third way of selling your device, which is a very nice and easy headache-free way. And you can also compare different prices from different websites. So first up, we have a website called Gazelle.com. So Gazelle has been around for many years. You can put in on the website there the information of your phone, what kind of phone it is, what carrier, the condition, and it will give you a price. If you agree to that price, you can just package your phone up and mail it to them. They'll provide you with the shipping label and address, and as soon as they get it and they receive it, after they verify that all the information you provided is correct, they will pay you the amount of money that they quoted you. However, there is a better method that I found, which is a newer, better website that they pay and offer even more than Gazelle, and it's called Decluttr. I'm going to have links down below to these websites down below in the description so that you can compare the prices yourselves. So Decluttr is very similar to Gazelle. You put in the phone model type that you have, the condition, the carrier, but the only thing about Decluttr is that I noticed that they do offer more for devices. So for example, as you can see on Gazelle, they were offering for the iPhone XS Max $673. And Decluttr is offering for the same phone $725. So very nice difference there for a easy, smooth trade-in service where you just package your phone up in a box and mail it to them with the prepaid shipping label. So those are the best methods to selling your iPhone XS Max, or for that, any phone of any type. But my favorite one, the most headache-free way that will pay you the most, is Decluttr. So there you go. If you're looking to sell your device, consider these options. Go ahead and check the links down below in the description so that you can get quotes on your device. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.